Okay, so here's Eve's trick. Okay, ready? Eve! Eve! Honk!
Depends what you eat. If you are okay, most
honk! Oh! Honk!
That is hilarious. Already stopped because these were all laughing.
How did you do that? I don't know.
That is so funny.
When did you
Don't
do
do it again.
Her lip just starts to drop.
She did not like that sound.
She did the honk thing.
Effie hasn't seen it yet.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, now you can watch it on video. She'll have to do it again.
I feel bad making her do it again.
Yeah, don't make her do it again.
Oh man.
On video.
I'll do it again.
Oh yeah, you